Hey guys, so we got engine on stand, transmission out here. We're going to clean this up. We are about to deal with more hurricane weather though, so we got to make this quick. I'm using gunk engine degreaser, the heavy duty, and then we got the engine cleaner, the foamy, for stage 2, and stage 3 is going to be the engine protection shiner. So I applied stage 1, the engine degreaser, about 10 minutes ago. I'm going through, hitting everything with a toothbrush real quick, then we'll rinse that off, then we'll hit it with the cleaner, the foamy stuff, potentially hit that with a toothbrush as well, and then do the protector. So let's get started. Alright, spray it off. Let it rip. Alright guys, that is stage 1. We're going to scrub these up a little more and then move on to stage 2 in a few minutes. Stage 2 also calls for a dry engine, so we're probably going to try and dry this up a little bit before we apply that. So we'll be back when we get ready to go to stage 2. Alright guys, time for stage 2. Engine cleaner, foamy stuff. Yep.
Oh, that's the catch it ran over.
Alright guys, been about 20 minutes. Scrubbed the shit out of it again. So it's time to rinse everything off, see how this stuff turns out. The third stage is the protector, so I'm not even going to record us putting that on. I'm just going to do it and we'll see how it turns out maybe tomorrow, but it is getting dark out here, so I gotta finish this stuff up and get everything put away. So real quick, we're gonna rinse it. We'll show you guys how it came out, and then I'll do the protector later, and we'll update you on that. Movie. So dark you guys can barely even see that I'm out here. So real quick, definitely cleaned it up quite a bit. Not as good as I'd hoped though. I may do it again. I may not. I haven't decided yet. Trans actually came out pretty good. But you guys obviously can't see it. Like I said, it's too dark out here for you guys to see. So that's gonna wrap this one up. Like I said, I'll take pictures maybe in another video. You guys will see it in the garage as we work on the car. As we put the protector on it, and you'll be able to see it in the light. With that said, see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.